In this video, I'll basically be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. So the first thing I'm going to go and do is to ask the AI to list me 10 ways which I can earn money online. So then it started generating, and the first thing that came up was content creation. Second thing was copywriting. There was also e-commerce, product descriptions, email marketing, chatbot development, personalized product recommendations. Now this is a lot of examples, but just to show how simple it can be to make money, I'm just going to take the first option, which is content creation. So content creation, what ways can we use that to make money? So it says here that you can use ChatGPT to generate unique and high quality content for blogs or websites. And off the top of my head, you could probably use it for YouTube and TikTok. So I wanted to dive deeper into this first idea. So then I asked ChatGPT to list me 10 ideas on how to make $100 and to come up with video ideas for it. So then ChatGPT started running again, and the first thing it said was to create a series of tutorial videos. And then it also talked a lot about generating scripts for explainer videos, for vlogs, for travel videos, for virtual reality videos. But just going back to the basics, I want to make this as simple as possible. So I just went with creating a series of tutorial videos on a specific topic, just like this one. So basically in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to make YouTube videos that you can post online to earn money. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make tutorial videos just like this. So I then went to my YouTube channel to upload a video. So this is where we would upload our tutorial video. So the tutorial video is still not done since I'm literally recording right now, but I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to come up with the title, description, and tags and everything like that. So I use this template. I always keep this in like my sticky notes or one of my documents, and I can always just change this part where it says generate a title, description, and list 10 tags for a video about. Then it has the square brackets for video topic. So this is where I would usually just put in like the title of the video or what the video would be about. So for the video topic, I basically just said using ChatGPT 2, and then I went to scroll up and I literally just copied to say that I wanted to create a series of tutorial videos to earn money through advertising and sponsorship, which is basically what ChatGPT gave back to me in the answer. So then I press enter, or I click send, and then I waited for ChatGPT to come up with all this. So it came up with the title, the description, and it also gave me 10 tags that I could use. So then after loading, I copied the title and I pasted into the title on the YouTube Studio, copied the description just like this, and paste. Notice how the description does somewhat accurately describe the video. If it were not to describe the video at all, I'll definitely change it or use it or ask ChatGPT to come up with a different description. So then I went on to copy the tags. So basically tags are basically used on YouTube such that it's easier to find when people search for your videos. So then I went to click next, next again, next one more time. And then this is where I can make the video public and then just post it. But for now, I want to keep it unlisted because I still need to create a thumbnail, which is the most important part of a YouTube video. This is because people will click on your video based on your thumbnail 99% of the time. Okay, so first I need to make a thumbnail. And even though ChatGPT is like a text to chat AI, we can still ask it to write a description of a thumbnail that we can use for this YouTube video. And then I can also make specific requests, which is like make it simple but catchy and tell me what words I can use in my thumbnail. So then ChatGPT went ahead and printed it. So they told me that maybe I should feature an image of a person sitting in front of a computer screen, and that if I use text, I should use it in bold, easy to read font, use contrasting colors against a plain background. And also I can use like money symbols to make the whole thumbnail look better. And then it gave me a list of words that I can use in the thumbnail, like ChatGPT, or in this case GPT-3, money online, tutorial videos. So after looking at this, I had a rough idea of what I wanted the thumbnail to be. So to make the thumbnail, I decided to use canva.com because it's free. So then I went to create a new design. I then went to click on custom size, and I inputted the size of 1920 by 1080, which is the size of a thumbnail. Click create new design. And now the first thing I needed to find was an image of a person sitting in front of a computer screen. So there's a website called Pexels.com which offers free stock photos. So I first went to there and I literally just copied the text saying person sitting in front of a computer screen. So that I went to look for any images that would be good, but all of them, they weren't simple. I wanted something that was simple where I could add text to it. There's too much going on in the photo. So then I decided to use this other program by OpenAI called DALL-E, which basically is an AI like photo generator. So if you just give it like a sentence, like a cat on a skateboard, it'll like output a cat on a skateboard. So I went to DALL-E and then I copied image of a person sitting in front of a computer screen. I then wanted to add money symbols to the images, or to the image that it will generate. So then I typed in comma with money symbol. I then pressed generate and then I waited. And then after it was done loading, it generated 4 images, which were actually not too bad, but I didn't really like the feel of these 4 images. So then what you can do is just press generate again, and you can generate as many times as you want. And I did that for a while, and then I finally settled on this one image, which I thought was pretty nice. It was very simple, but it was basically exactly what I wanted, which was a person sitting in front of a computer screen. So after that, I downloaded the image. I then uploaded it to Canva and I imported it, and then I just resized it a little bit to make it look nice. I then wanted to try and match the background with the image because it wasn't completely white. It was kind of like a beigeish, I don't know, like slightly grayish. So then I got it as close as possible. It wasn't perfect, but that was fine. I then wanted to see what words I could use in the thumbnail, so I decided to go with step-by-step guide, which I thought looked the most simple and appealing. The whole thumbnail was starting to take a little bit of shape. I then added some money symbols, which ChatGPT told me to do. I also added a line because I thought that would look better, keep it simple and very easy to read. I then I uploaded the ChatGPT symbol, and I repositioned everything. And then last but not least, I wanted to add one more text phrase, but I wasn't really sure what to use. So whenever I'm stuck at a roadblock or I don't know what to type or what to do, I usually can just ask ChatGPT like, what are some other phrases that I can use? Whatever is on my mind or whatever questions on my mind, I'll just ask ChatGPT, and it usually can help me get an answer or get me close to the answer. So at first, the first 10 answers that it outputted, it seemed a little bit complicated, so I told ChatGPT to make it simpler, and it did. I ended up going with make $100 with GPT-3. I then changed the GPT-3 to ChatGPT because ChatGPT is more well-known compared to GPT-3. I then repositioned everything a little bit. Then I also, just to make sure that the thumbnail looks its best, I asked ChatGPT what are some subtle things that can make the thumbnail pop or look a little bit better. And they said like use contrasting colors, bold font, add images that are attractive, use call to action, things like that. But I decided that I think I had the thumbnail where I wanted it to be. So I then went ahead and downloaded the thumbnail. So I went to share, then I went to download. And then after waiting for like a few seconds, it downloaded. So this is what it looks like full screen, which I actually really like. It's very simple, contrasting colors using the black and white. So then I went back to YouTube Studio to upload the thumbnail, click save, and there we have it. So this video is not the actual video that is about earning money online, because the actual video is this video, but I will be using the same like title, description, and tags that ChatGPT told me to use. So now let's calculate how many views I would need to get on this video to earn $100. See, let's take a look at this article which says how many views to make money from YouTube in 2022. Okay, so the average YouTube channel can make around $16 to $18 per 1,000 ad views. To earn your first $100, you'll need between 6,000 and 25,000 views on YouTube. However, there is a prerequisite for this. You need to be monetized, and YouTube requires a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to make money. So right now I am not monetized just yet, but if I was and you're watching this video and it has above at least 25,000 views, I would have probably made over $100 from it already. But all in all, what I wanted to prove with this video is basically showing that it's possible to make money with ChatGPT, but at the end of the day, it really just comes down to just doing it and not just like procrastinating and thinking, will it work or will it not work? It's just trying it out. If it doesn't work out, you learn from it, you move on. But at the end of the day, it's just about doing it and putting in the work. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.